it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my face here on YouTube, welcome. And I will definitely invite you to please subscribe before you go and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Now, for many of you who do not know, I just launched my own beauty brand of lashes. I am the face behind Star Lashes by Odette. I did introduce to you guys Joy and also Faith. I'm going to leave one of those cards above and another video link in the description box for you to check it out. And today we are going to talk about Romeo. Oh my God, these lashes are so beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. This is Romeo. I'm going to bring her close so you guys can see. Very pretty, gorgeous, gorgeous lashes. It looks like it's a little bit long as you're looking at the lashes right now. But when you put these on your eyes, it's going to make your eyes look so beautiful and so natural. And you can definitely, let me repeat, you can definitely wear Romeo with your glasses. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. I am not going to tell you things that are not true. I have a reputation to maintain behind my brand and also behind this YouTube channel. So I will tell you guys the facts 100%. You can definitely wear Romeo with your glasses. These are my prescription glasses right here. And I'm putting my glasses on, not in the bridge or the middle of my nose, exactly where my glasses should be, okay? And I'm just gonna come in a little closer so you guys can see. And of course I'm blinking. Okay, blinking, looking up, down, from side to side. Hope you guys can see. And the lashes are not touching the lenses at all. Very comfortable on the eyes, very, very pretty. And I love the way they look so absolutely natural on the eyes. If you want to go in with your mascara to make it a little bit more dramatic, if you want to go in with a black eyeliner to just darken that up, to suit your own style, go right ahead. But they make your eyes look so absolutely beautiful. I wanted to find some lashes that I can wear every single day that's not going to get in the way of things, okay? They are not going to make your eyes heavy and make it too tacky. And because I know sometimes when I see people and I look at them right away, I know they are wearing lashes on their eyes. When someone looks at you, when you put these lashes on your eyes, they will probably think, are you wearing falsies? You cannot even tell, but they do make your eye look so natural and so beautiful. And again, this is Romeo. And 2 of these are going to be coming in your order for $11.99, okay? And all the orders are done through PayPal. And I had so many questions about this. So it doesn't matter which country you live in. Pay in your own currency. If it's United States, $11.99. If it's Canada, $11.99. Okay. If you live in Belgium, €11.99. It doesn't matter what country you live in. Pay in your own currency, and the exchange is going to happen on PayPal. I'm going to see that exchange on my account. Okay. So it's going to take about 1 to 2 weeks for orders. I give myself that timeline because it also depends on where you live. Things may take a little bit longer to get there because of course we are still in lockdown. And by the way, all of the PR packages have been sent. And thank you, Demi, for your beautiful, beautiful review. I do appreciate it because I know you are very, very honest when it comes to your reviews. And thank you so much for doing that. And just send me a DM. Let me know exactly what you want. Send me your address and everything is going to be shipped out to you. The minute you tell me exactly what you want, the envelopes are already labeled, your address is deleted from my phone, and your order is on the way to you, okay? And you're going to be receiving 2 of these in your order. If you want to get 2 Romeo, if you want to order 2 Romeo, yes, you can get 2 of those. If you want to mix your orders up to say 1 Romeo, 1 Joy, let me know as well. If you don't indicate, you're going to be getting 2 of the same thing, okay? 2 will be coming in your packages for $11.99. It's a fantastic, fantastic price point for what you are going to be getting, and it's going to make your face and your eyes look so beautiful. You can dress these lashes up, dress them down, go with makeup, no makeup, however you want to suit your style, go right ahead. These lashes are absolutely gorgeous. Again, this is Romeo. All of the details will be in the description box for you guys for your ordering. Again, order in your currency, order through PayPal, and that's it. And send me a DM. I don't even have time to go through all the DMs on my phone. It is just ridiculous. And you guys are amazing. I thank you so much for all of your questions, and I do hope I explained a lot in the videos. Again, the card to joy would be up here. The video that I did introducing Faith is going to be in the description box, and today I'm introducing Romeo to you guys, and I do hope you guys are going to give me a little bit of a support. Thank you guys so much already for those of you who have ordered. Your support means everything to me. The price point is, again, it's $11.99. It's not expensive at all, and everything is going to be coming to you in the mail as soon as I get your orders. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I hope I did explain quite a few things in this video for you guys. And again, Romeo, you can wear with your glasses, no problem. And on that note, I want to thank you for watching. Leave me your comments and your thoughts in the description box below. My name is Odette. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye.